Mari. Good morning.
Shelena made me breakfast, you guys. And it's delicious looking. Look at that.
I'm about to say, you didn't try it yet.
It's good. I already know. Good morning.
Cheers. Ready?
So what are they doing? It's 10
Alright,
in the morning.
do it. Let's see.
It did it.
Yo, there's no way we're like this hype. I think it's this. There's sugar. Like
that. We need it.
Rain stuff to you.
you like boom boom. Rockin' with me. Woo! I miss vlogging so much, man. You don't understand.
And I was thinking about my birthday the other day, but then I was like,
And the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy. Girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me. You amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me. But when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy. You amaze me. You amaze me. All them other girls, they really want to play me. But when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby love don't cost a dime. My baby love don't cost a dime.
What's up, vloggy vlog? And it is, I don't have my shades right, but and it is back to reality. What's up? Today is Sunday. My hair looks a little wild, not gonna lie. It looks a little crazy, but I am currently about to go inside and eat. It's a place called Amelia's. It's a French bakery and cafe. And so I'm actually about to eat there. I'm excited. I'm pumped to eat there. And so, yeah, I'm pumped. I'm pumped about it. First time eating here. My friend Mari found it. So I'm like, okay, I'm excited to try new stuff. Let's try it out. So I'm about to go in there, eat, and then I probably will end the vlog there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vloggy vlog. I'm back. It's getting more hot outside, so I'm definitely gonna start going, places and stuff. So
Going
got some red velvet macaroons and strawberry, and then Shelena got
We got lemon and red velvet as well. Did you get any?
No, not any macaroons. A s'mores latte. I didn't get any macaroons.
Oh, nice.
chocolate strawberry latte.
Got my matcha.
There's 3? I didn't see the
Over
3rd.
here, that's what I was looking at. In line. And this is ugly.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I
This is
didn't
good.
see
Yeah, there's 3.
I just
This
every
is
time
really
you-
good.
There's another one.
Yeah, look if they were arguing
Okay, ready?
red velvet.
Yeah. Cheers. These are real. For real.
Real. Chewy.
The ones- The ones from all these is fake now.
They're like
The
tacos.
Yeah.
I stopped
10
even
out
trying
of
to
10.
buy them because
10 out of 10.
they just don't hit the same.
Yeah, I know.
That's so good.
They're also hard. The ones at Aldi.
Yeah, and this
Mhm.
is
Chewy.
like a French chew. It's
Yeah.
way different.
That was really.
Very good.
The chocolate's probably really good then.
Now you can come from matcha and macaron.
Whole thing. Run straight
Right.
for myself.
The inside of this is so good. The cream.
Now the lemon. The lemon's good. I'm nervous. Oh, it's fine inside. The same.
Did you want a piece? I already bit off of it, but
The lemon's like a. I don't like it.
Is it very lemony? Like, or is it kind of like a lemon cake?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I would do that. I like lemon cake. I
It's
would
like
probably
a-
try out lemon one.
I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
It's not horrible. It's
That
not
was definitely. It's not horrible.
for the first time.
I wouldn't get it
Is your
again.
First time trying a lemon?
Well, the real
from
one.
here,
Yeah.
have you been seeing Jasmine's baby? The girl?
No.
That we dropped off one of the girls we met. She came out with.
I might do the vlog morning.
As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.